All the founders I have worked and talked to share one common problem, and that is team management challenges. When they are growing, yet the team is dependent on the founder, this one Notion system solves all these problems and helps you get your mental bandwidth back. Now it's not just a to do system, it's a full fledged team management system where you can see all your team members' assignments and pass on one thing to another automatically, see what's got done, what's next, and how are things moving across all your assignments and your team members. So in this video, I will showcase you how this system works and how it removes founder dependency from your team. Okay, now let's get into this. So it starts with getting the full picture of task across your team. As you can see here, we have each of the team members listed, like as many as team member you have, you can continue seeing them. And right below their names, you would see the task assigned to them by you. Okay, so now let me show you one example here. Let's add a new task. You can see here I've added my name. I would click on a new page, get inside this, and you can see once I just made a new entry, you can see this is I'm automatically assigned to it because this is present below my name. So now I can give it any task that is like copy. Okay, so now I can mark as a priority and the due date would go like this way. And next part is task inputs link. Let's say you have a source to share that they can use while doing their task, so you can directly add the links here. And if there are any notes, any things they need to consider while doing the like task, take this up, take. And at the same place, let's say your team member has shared the task link. So here is a task review link. They can directly load the link here that you are going to review, and at the same place you can directly add the feedback here. Otherwise, you have open space here. You can directly tag that person, anyone like from your workplace, that team member, and then you can give a feedback and continue communication here regarding this task. So this is how we just brought everything at one place instead of having conversation in WhatsApp and Slack and transferring things across any project software. Now we got everything at one place. You can directly make any kind of changes here and your team members as well. And let's say you want to see things according to the status. You want to see like which task stands where. Then you can directly switch to the status view. And here you can see that, okay, what's pending, what's in progress, what's for your review, and what got approved and all. Okay. And the next part is this is the most practical part of the system. So this part shows only the tasks which have the due date today, so that you and your team can focus on what matters the most rather than getting lost just in everything. So you can come here and your team can come here and they can see that, okay, this is the top priority for us. And the best part about this system is that you you can make any entry anywhere in this view and it gets automatically organized and updated everywhere. Let me just show you one example. I am here, let's say inside this status part. Okay, so I am assigning a new task here that can be kickstart. Okay, now I can assign members here. Let's say I've assigned these three people, and the next part is I can add the due date. Let's say I add a due date for today, and yeah, that's it. So now you can see, and now we can jump into the all team members place, and you can see that here we have the part of Kickstart new project. I assigned it to Sumanpreet. You can see here and you can see the same task here. So all of the team members can see their new task here. And as you can see, it's for due date today. And the same thing is visible here as well. And the next best part here is that this part shows all the tasks which have due date this week. Okay, so as you can see, I just marked a task for today's date. It comes under this week, so it's popping up here as well. Okay, so you can see that, okay, this is the top priority, ignoring the rest. And the best part is that, let's say, emails, you can see this task, okay? I am marking it as approved. So it gets like invisible from here. The approved task already gets organized in the finished task part. You can see here. So this is how there is no clutter and you don't need to do any manual cleanup. So whatever things you are approving here, they start getting submitted under the finished task. And comes my most favorite part. Let's assume that you have multiple services you are offering, and now you want to see task according to the services part. Okay, so whatever things you are adding across this system, and everything will be organized under a specific service. Let me show you here. You can see if these are tasks under the content marketing, these are present here, organized well, and under the design part, under the this another service name, we have another one, and I can just log in task here according to the the services in the assignment part. Let me show you one another example here. I am back to this place, and see, I am just adding here service example. Client, that who is it for? And the next thing can be yes. Let's say I have added the service here under the design part. So the same thing would be visible under the design service here. You can see here we are service example and everything is here. So yeah, the beauty of this system is that even you have, let's say, 5 team members today and 15 team members tomorrow, it keeps scaling with you. So this is all about this one simple short system that covers everything regarding your team, task, service, and visibility, like a little space with everything is centralized and consolidated and organized here. If you are building a team but feel like everything is dependent on you, so at this phase, instead of hiring more people, you need a better, reliable system. So if you need help setting up systems like this for your business, you can reach out to me by email or LinkedIn. Thank you so much for watching.